Baby, listen. Listen to me now.
Have you ever went in the kitchen and seen nothing and still made something and it became scrumptious?
Welcome to Carmel's Wine and Cheese. So you guys, in today's video, what I'm going to be making is some baked barbecue chicken. Now this recipe is for those who, for whatever reason, you don't have a grill. That's fine. You can make the barbecue chicken in the oven. So the first thing I'm going to do is make my sauce. Now this is the Bang Bang sauce, and if you want the recipe to this, then go ahead and click the link up above and you'll find the recipe there. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some barbecue sauce, some fresh garlic of course, some butter, sriracha, a little Tabasco sauce, some onion powder, and I forgot to put the brown sugar in there, and I'm going to heat that up. So now to prep the chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this chicken with some water, some white distilled vinegar, and some lemon. Now I know there's some of y'all gonna be like, why are you washing your chicken? Because we wash our chicken around here. If you don't want to wash your chicken, that's perfectly fine. But over here, if anything can be washed, I'm gonna wash it before I consume it, okay? Now once the chicken is washed, I'm gonna go ahead and dry it off, and I'm gonna add the seasonings in there. So I'm gonna use some Everglades Seasoning, some onion powder, some black pepper, some smoked paprika, some kosher salt, and some dash seasoning. Now this dash seasoning, it's a bunch of different herbs. There's no salt in it, so you want to make sure that you're being a little bit generous with that. I did put some garlic powder in there too. I guess I edited that out by accident, but I did put garlic powder in there, you guys. Now to put this in the oven, I'm just gonna go ahead and get a pan, put some butter in there. You don't have to put the butter in there because it's not gonna stick. I just put it in there because, you know, butter make it taste better. Listen, I know it's gonna be somebody saying, who on God's green earth put onions and bell peppers on a barbecue chicken? It's like how people be putting vegetables in their macaroni and cheese. But listen, I grew up in a house where we ate a lot of vegetables, so I put vegetables on pretty much everything if I can. Again, the onions and bell peppers, they optional. You don't have to put it in there. I love it, so I put it in there. But I'm just gonna add that Bang Bang sauce on there, and I'm gonna cover this with aluminum foil, and I'm gonna pop that in the oven at 350 degrees. Now the reason why I'm covering this in foil is because I want it to create a lot of juice, because I'm gonna put it over rice. But this is gonna go into the oven for about an hour and a half, and at the hour mark I'm gonna take it out the oven and remove the foil. And this is the finished product, you guys. Let me tell you something. This right here, this right here is good. You hear me?